Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a clean RAW image and setting a neutral profile so colors behave predictably. Reduce temperature toward green to establish that night vision hue, then nudge exposure up a bit to open shadows without blowing highlights. Once done, pull highlights down and boost shadows to retain detail. These moves let you see the scene better while keeping the image dark overall. Make sure to work non-destructively, so you can revert the green cast if it needs fine-tuning. Next, you strengthen the look. Increase contrast and clarity just enough to define shapes without harshness, because night vision should emphasize outlines. In HSL, lower blue lightness and raise greens to make the green glow dominant and desaturate offending colors. Use split toning to tint midtones green and shadows a cooler cyan to deepen the night effect. Adjust balance toward midtones so the glow reads naturally. As you work, compare before / after to confirm the green emphasizes texture, not noise. To finish, you add character. Apply subtle grain and only light noise reduction so the image keeps that electronic, textured look. Sharpen using masking so grainy shadows aren't over-sharpened. A small radius with moderate amount helps. Export at your target resolution and inspect at 100%. If the image looks too noisy or the green is blotchy, reduce grain slightly, increase noise reduction a touch, and lower clarity. These adjustments solve common issues without killing the night vision aesthetic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.